I hadn't thought about that.
Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
We have a small announcement to make today. We've been publishing content on BrainStormAcres for over 5 years. We have a large number of shows. But the last month has been a bit of a challenge for us.
Yeah, there's just too much going on. There's not enough. If we had, as some of the big channels do, staff, it's that staff problem, you know.
Well, the real problem is Irene spent a little bit of time in the hospital getting some tests done, which is perfectly fine, and everything came out great. It's wonderful. But I spent most of the entire month of June traveling between home and places that were 50 and more miles away, which meant that there's only a handful of days this past month that I wasn't on the road all the time.
Right. I mean, groceries come from far away. Doctor's offices, prescriptions, the vet's office, all of that sort of stuff.
So we're going to change our publishing schedule a little bit. We'll be publishing Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday through all of July because we have a lot to catch up on.
Right. And, you know, we may throw in an occasional short, or there might be something special that pops up once in a while, but that's our goal, is to at least get those done. We simply need to catch up with everything. And
we have a show we have a show coming up, and Irene hasn't been able to spend the amount of time that she needed to spend in her business. I haven't been able to spend the amount of time that I needed to do to help her. So we have to fix that. And the only way to do that is to start cutting time back to ourselves.
Right. Either that or hire staff. And I don't see that happening. and while Rufus and Isa are very helpful, sometimes not in the way you'd like them to be.
No opposable thumbs there.
No, it's like I went out to watch Rufus outside and realized she'd been digging in one of the flower pots, so I had to put a cover on that so that she can't do that. Because it's nice and soft and lovely dirt, because, you know, she's a cat.
Well, we'll be bringing some more content to you throughout the month of July, but it's going to be on a slightly different schedule.
Right. We just can't do everything at the same time.
Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and
hit the notification bell, because we are going to be doing more stuff.
And don't forget,
keep brainstorming, because, yeah, you gotta.
We'll talk with you later.
Bye.